Hello friends, welcome to Pebbles Riddle Play. In this episode, we will see 3 crime riddles and their answers. First riddle. Mr. X was killed in his house. His wife was shocked and called the police. Police team arrived in another 10 minutes. Inspector observed the dead body and the surroundings. Then spoke to his assistant. The killer used a weapon, but there are no clues. So we need to investigate all persons of this house. So assemble all of them here. Then the assistant cop brought them all to the inspector. The persons are Mr. X's wife, housemaid, gardener, and cook. First, Mr. X's wife said that she went to spa. Lady cook said she went to market to buy vegetables. Housemaid said that she was cleaning the house. Gardener said he was planting in the garden. The inspector identified the killer easily. How could he guess the killer? Can you guess the killer in 10 seconds? Your time starts now. The killer is housemaid. She killed Mr. X and quickly cleaned the blood marks on the floor using mop stick, bucket, and water. She didn't notice the blood marks on the sides of the bucket, but the inspector noticed it. Second riddle. Inspector Shyam going for rounds in his jeep. On the way, he was passing across his friend Suresh's house. He found that his friend's house door was kept open. He stopped the jeep and enters into the house. There his friend Mr. Suresh was killed and the body was laid on the floor. Inspector Shyam guessed the murder was happened just before. Then he inquires in the next 3 houses. First, he inquires Mr. Kumar. Kumar said, "I did not come outside. I am watching cricket match on TV." Next, Inspector inquired Mr. Ashok. Ashok said, "I am a car mechanic and I am very busy with my work. I don't know anything about this." Finally, Inspector inquired Mr. Ramesh. Ramesh said, "I was cleaning up my garden, so I did not see anything." After these 3 inquiries, Inspector guessed the killer. Can you guess the killer in 10 seconds? The answer is car mechanic Ashok is the killer because he said that he was busy with his work, but his dress is very clean and neat. And also, Mr. Suresh car bonnet is not closed properly. Inspector noticed these and caught the killer. Third riddle. Reena was watching TV in her house. Suddenly, someone knocked at the door. Reena opened the door. Suddenly, a robber with a mask entered the house and threatened her for money and gold. Reena gave all the money and gold to him. After that, the robber asked Reena to write a suicide letter. Reena wrote the letter. Immediately, the robber shot Reena and escaped from the house. After some time, Reena's husband came home and shocked. He immediately called the police. Police team arrived at the crime spot and inquired Reena's husband. Reena's husband said Reena wrote a letter about her suicide. In this letter she wrote, "I love you so much. Our bank locker number is 2539. Don't forget to call my mother." Inspector asked Reena's husband, "Do you have doubt on any person?" He said, "I have doubt on 3 persons. Alex, Prakash, and Rajesh." So Inspector inquired those 3 persons. Alex said that I went out of city to attend a meeting. Prakash said I was sick and got admitted in hospital for past 3 days. Finally, Rajesh said he went to his hometown. After these 3 inquiries, Inspector recalled the Reena's letter and very easily guessed the killer is Alex. How could Inspector identify the killer? Can you guess how he could find the killer? Your 10 seconds time starts now. Reena wrote 2539 number in her letter. This is a code about killer. Reena's husband said that they don't have any bank locker. She also wrote that do not forget to call my mother. So, Inspector tried this number on his mobile phone. These numbers suggest Alex's name in the dial pad.